IONe is a self-service portal for cloud service management based on ESXi, KVM, OPENNEBULA, WHMCS billing platform. Let's explore the functionality of Cloud App. On a special tab of the application, you will see a list of all services available for order. Here you can order a ready-made virtual server plan or configure a cloud server according to your requirements. Place an order for a SSL certificate or any shared hosting plan. Here you will also see a list of all your used services, active and inactive. They can be conveniently filtered by group. In the application, you can also not only order a ready-made shared hosting plan, but also completely manage the service. Just click Enter next to the service and you will immediately find yourself in the control panel. You can also select and order an SSL certificate directly from the application interface. A separate tab is provided for managing your virtual machines. Click on one of them and control it. Turn it off and on. Reboot. Recover. Reinstall. Change the amount of your VM resources. Control disk and attach a new one. Control network. Boot order. Or delete your VM. Here you will also see the following information: IP address, capacity, storage, network, and graphs with up-to-date statistics of networks, CPU and memory, disk bytes, and IOPS. And you can also create a snapshot. Or go to the console to manage resources. There you can use options of screen movement, keyboard, special keys, clipboard, open in full screen and configure settings. Create a virtual machine from scratch. Choose operating system, resources, drive, and network. Choose the way of payment and launch it. In the application, you can also write a ticket to technical support, track your requests, and communicate with specialists. Tickets are generated with a direct integration with WHMCS billing system. You can pay and view invoices right in the app. Invoices are generated with a direct integration with WHMCS billing system. In the settings, you can also change the language of interface. Try IONE Cloud App now and manage your infrastructure easily.